What's up, guys? My name's Leandro, and I'm here with another server. So this is a server that I've been into this morning because it's pretty amazing. Because I wanna help build. The truth is, I want to be an owner. Yeah, I mean co-owner. So I'm gonna show you around because we are needing some builders because we need two more. So if you want to be, oh yeah, we need one more mod, and admin, we need one more. And I'm in here. Yes, I'm right there. So I'm gonna change it. This and also a tutorial on how to make colored text. And then tortoise edge. There we go. I'm the only one. Yes, I'm the only one who helped. So read rules. Alright, that's we don't have rules, so that's the best thing ever. Yes, so I didn't write this. So run Yandere School and Town, built by Alexis Tartisage. If you had any questions, so yeah, so this our town. We're not yet really finished, so I made this. I made this, so it's pretty much not yet finished. So we are needing some builders and mod. So no asking for OP, please. And this is our school. I built this thing. I built the school and the four of us. So here's our lockers. There's this. We're also needing some teachers and something. Yeah. So I'ma just um uh, wait wait. So we only have 4 classrooms, I think, or 3. I think we only have 3. So yeah. Oh, whoa! We didn't see this. What the heck? Oh my god, it is lag. I do not like it because my mommy do not like it. So yeah, so this is it. These are Gandari High School. That's the McDonald's, my car, the other Sky car. So these are McDo. Welcome to McDo. It didn't say who built this, so I made this counter. I made this part, and they made this the whole. Where's the drive-thru? Here it is. Here, 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 here. So yeah, let's see if they can jump. Because when we are opening the server to let others play, we want to make sure that they cannot grief or something. So this is our hotel. I'm not yet finishing this because I don't have someone to help. That's why I'm needing a builder. So I built this house, my house. So welcome to Tortoise Edge House. Knock before coming in. Mail. I cannot open it because I'm in creative mode. So yeah, so this is it. Ouch. It's pretty much dark. That's okay for me. So my house is up. My bed is upstairs. So here. So it's pretty much small. Whew. Okay, so hope you guys like my video. Take it off. Shit. Okay, so hope you like my video, and please subscribe and comments down below if you want to join this server and want to be a builder, because I really need help. So server IP in the description. Bye.